How to track your orders on Temu. Waiting for an order from Temu and want to check on its status? Let me show you how to track your order in just a few simple steps. Hi there and welcome to One Stop Solution. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to easily track your orders on Temu so you always know where your packages are. Let's jump right in. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the U button at the bottom of your screen to go to your profile page. On your profile page, look for the section called Your Orders. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you will find all the details about your orders and their current status. If you're having trouble finding your order, you can use the self-service to find order option. It offers a few self-service options if your order has gone missing. And that's it. You have now tracked your Temu order with ease. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.